be what we are now. Now I call upon our respected principal to present before us the annual report of the school.
When the ship of St. Joseph's School started sailing along the ocean of time in search of unseen source of wisdom and hidden treasures of knowledge on 1st July 2009, it had only about 24 passengers and 4 sailors along with the captain. The passengers began to sail from UKG. Now it has reached at standard 6. The school grew in quality and quantity under the able stewardship of talented missionaries of Purnia Catholic Diocese. This temple of learning fulfilled the needs of the children of Doomer, materialized the dreams of parents and reached the children eventually all over the world. On this auspicious day, how can I forget Right Reverend Father Robert Vigga, Father Gabriel Kullu, who is still present here, FCC sisters and people of Doomer, who were the backbone of the institution and toiled hard to bring up St. Joseph's School into this present time. I thank all of them for their hard work. But the tiny ship of surmountable obstacles with the motto integrity and prosperity, success always stood by the ship, and it took the ship further the ocean of achievement in the field of curricular and co-curricular activities. Soon, St. Joseph's School, the temple town of Doomer, woke up in an era of transition. The smart their constructive suggestions in our endeavor of imparting quality education. In the school association election, and Jyoti Kumari as head girl, who took an oath in oath-taking ceremony presided over by the principal, Father, houses and various activities. The students are divided into 4 houses such as red, green, yellow and blue. The house leaders are elected by the teachers, elected by the animators like singing, dancing, drawing, speech, skit, kabaddi, football, poster, quiz, so on and so forth. It generates in them to have the competitive spirit and creative skills. Independence Day. Independence Day was celebrated with great honor and pomp with Reverend Father Francis Tirki, who is just now as the guest of honor here, the Vicar General of Purnia Diocese, who hoisted the national flag, then followed by cultural programs such as patriotic speech, dances, songs, and many other activities. Principals Day. The 1st of May is celebrated as Principals Day. The teachers and students put up and various cultural items to show their love and respect towards the principal. The teachers and students were enriched and enlightened by the principal's message. Teachers' Day. The Teachers' Day was celebrated with great zeal and show. Teachers' Day was featured with students organizing cultural activities. All the teachers were felicitated by the students with special quotes on them. The teachers were highly honored and given different kinds of items and gifts. With varieties of items organized by the teaching staff members. All the students were full of enthusiasm to show their love towards Chacha Ji. Republic Day. The Republic Day was celebrated in order to revive the patriotic spirit in our children. Right Reverend Father Augustine Topo. Competition examinations. The students took part in talent examination conducted by EduNext Foundation, New Delhi. The toppers of the schools were specially awarded with certificates and many other study equipments. Scholastic